Okay, so the good news is these doors are perfectly fine and viable. I need to apply some repairs to them and some adjustments, and I will get this back to serviceable again. I'm fully confident of that. We need to change the 2 screen mesh panels and make my adjustments. This piece is stationary. I have it locked back into place. It doesn't have to be opened that often. The closer doesn't work. I would suggest, I think we need to change the closer. I mean, it works, but it doesn't have a stop. Stop is gone. So yeah, I would suggest we change that. But no, I'll get this serviceable again. Maybe not like the day it was installed, but certainly serviceable and working and functional. Maybe as good as the day it was installed, though. That's what I'm going to strive for.